demonstration of the Lab 1 project. As you can see here, this is the CSS code, and here's just a quick run through of what we added. Here, obviously, in the header selector, we added these 3 properties: justify, content, display, and align properties. Also, down here in the button selector, added the opacity, the button hover for the transition, and down here added the width property to the card to make sure everything was properly aligned in the space given. And here we have the card image selector, the card selector, and the container selector. This one here, the max width, makes sure that when you shrink and grow the screen, that the cards never exceed the width of the parent container. And then down here we have the media queries. This one for screens less than 480 pixels, which is typically like a cell phone or something, a small device. And this one is for screens between 481 pixels and 768 pixels, which is typically a tablet size. Here's a quick view of the code in action. This is once you hover over the cards, you see the saturation filter in effect, and you also see the drop shadow in effect. And then when you hover over the button, you see it illuminate, and it reveals itself within the 1-second transition that was applied in the CSS code. And then for the screen sizes, if I go over here to my developer tools and I go here, you can see that it's the initial 4-column layout for screens bigger than 768 pixels. But as you get beneath 768 pixels, it will shrink to the 2-column format here, but everything remains in line. And then once you get below the lower threshold, it will shrink to the 1-column format, like so, and everything will remain in line. So that's a quick demonstration of the project. Hope you enjoyed it.